What's up, everybody? It's a nice day out here. I guess maybe it's about like 40, maybe 50 degrees. I don't know, but it's nice. We are doing a walk, as we see. I got the whole pack with me. We got Bailey. We got Ghost, who's supposed to be the pack leader, and we got the pups. Rhaenyra. There's Rhaenyra, and here's Bolt right here. Bolt. Now you said that name yet? And if y'all notice, their ears are up now. See, they look more like German Shepherds now, because their ears are up. Yeah. And then we got a little pipsqueak in the back. So we already been walking for a little bit. I want to tire them down for a little bit. So we're on our way back home. Come on, let's get it. Let's go. See, I have to, or I have a preference to walk them in the street versus the sidewalk, because since I'm walking 5 dogs, I have to keep control. And if we walk on the sidewalks, the big dogs will stop and sniff everything. Come on, let's go. So there were some kids at this school earlier, and they was going crazy over that because they want to play ball too. Now, Pipsqueak doesn't like these walks with the other dogs, even though she's the fastest of all 5 of them. Matter of fact, if I wouldn't name her Pipsqueak, I would have named her Spaz, because she gets on turbo mode and she can beat all these dogs in a foot race. We had 3. I had to rehome 1. Yeah, they're 10 weeks old. They're 10 weeks old now. All right, we're gonna pause this video. Now I'm just doing the leisurely walk part. I'm not really trying to bother them, get them commands or whatnot. Cause when we're training on the walk, I make them walk in a certain formation. I make them all stay on the right of me. The parents walk together, and the pups stay on the left of the parents. See, like if our training portion of the walk, I wouldn't be allowing this right here for them to be all in between or whatnot. And the thing is that I get kind of militant during the training, so they're irritated with me right now, even though I did bring some treats, because I have to get the big dogs I have verbal control over. Come. The puppies, I have to get verbal control over them as well. And I have to do, and it's a real priority, because the puppies are going to be bigger than their parents. So now when it's all said and done, when they're all adults, the pups are going to be bigger. And so that's going to be a lot of horsepower, or in this case, a lot of dog power. So I have to, what I'm saying, I can't rely on leash control. I have to rely on verbal commands and verbal control. So I already have that established with Bailey and Ghost. It's just we got to get these pups. We got to get these pups established with that as well, and even little Pipsqueak. But I'm not so much worried about Pipsqueak. She's not a dog I acquired for like training and whatnot. She's just a house lappy dog. I let her sleep with us at night in the bed, and she likes her belly rub. She sleeps between me and my wife, and she likes getting her belly rubbed and stuff. And all right, so we're gonna come over here. Come on, and we're gonna try to do a little bit of obedience training right quick, and see if we can get this. I had them practice a little bit earlier, but and it worked. They did what they're supposed to do, but this is gonna be a slow process. Hey, sit. Hey, sit. So we got the big dog sitting already. All right, so we got Pup. We got Pup sitting. Squeak, sit. Squeak, sit. Good girl. So yeah, so check this out. treat. Now we all get a treat. No. Hey. No, sit. No, sit. Sit. No, sit. Rhaenyra, sit. Good puppies. Yeah, good puppies. Good puppies. So now we all get the treat. Just hold on, let me get the bag open. I don't think the pups like these type of treats. Or they don't like this flavor, I should say. They not really receptive to it. But the other dogs do. So we got one for Bailey there. There you go. And then, let's see here. Ghosty boy. We got one for you. And Squeak Squeak. We got one for you. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the parents. I'm going to make the parents stay right here. And me and the pups are going to go walk a distance away. So, hey. Sit. Leave it. Alright, so I'm going to drop Bailey's leash. I drop Ghosty's leash. And come here. No. So, come on, pups. No, hey, sit. They do not want to be away. Come on. No, no. See, I can't say that word otherwise. Hey, sit. Ghost. Stay. Stay. This is month after month after month. Down. Down. Ghost down. Down. Ghost down. Good boy. Stay. This is a lot of months of training. And the thing is, they're rusty because we haven't been training. It's been winter time outside, so it's been a few months since we've been training. Stay. So they got to get reacclimated to it, and these two got to learn it, because I will have them obedience trained just like I have them. All right. Leave it. Hey, sit. Ghost, you know you weren't supposed to move. Down. Bailey, come. Sit. Down. There. But it's like riding a bike. You know, you never really forget. So that's good. They're just rusty. Well, we're gonna get it together though. And all right, so let's get back on the walk now. Moving on. Most of the neighbors around here know us, so they stop and speak, especially since they haven't really seen these puppies before, or at least not outside of social media. They haven't. So now this is about this is walk number, if I had to take a guess, I should have been counting, but I think this is about walk number 8 I've had with them at all 5. And they're doing okay, but I'm trying to hey, come. This car's coming, come. It's just that I try to make them hold a formation so we won't get all tangled up. And hold on while I try to untangle myself first here. All right, come on. Oh yeah, I'm gonna edit that part out. Y'all got me trapped. Don't worry, we'll edit this part out. Maybe. I can't even get the leash off my hand. Yes, hold on. There we go. All right, so, all right. Hey, chill out. Why are y'all doing all the whining now? What's up, everyone? I am back with another video. This will be another hacking type video.
I don't let them get close
Before we
enough
get started,
to
just want to
nurse.
say this video is sponsored by
old,
Bernard
nursing
Madoff
is done.
Investment Securities.
They're on puppy
Do you
chow.
have